Hi, I'm Honda Pro Jason. Today I'm going to be walking you guys around the Honda Pilot EXL with all-wheel drive. Follow me as I walk you around the new from the ground up Honda Pilot. Starting at the front, just check out this new grille. All that chrome looks awesome. Coming around to the side here, you'll see this LED daytime running light, projector style headlights, and fog lights. And check out these 17-inch rims. They look awesome. Coming up here, you'll see the side view mirror that folds forward and backward. Keeping with the chrome theme, Honda ran a piece of chrome all the way to the back door. Finishing off the back of the car with LED taillights, a power lift gate with camera, and in the back, there's so much room. But if you need a little bit more, all you have to do is pull the seat right down, or the other seat right down, and when you're ready to go, you simply press this button and simply walk away. And now, let me walk you through a couple of my favorite features on the inside of the Honda Pilot, starting with the driver's door. Auto up and auto down windows for driver and passenger, lots of hidden little compartments in the door, easy access to open the trunk and the fuel door, and just look at the steering wheel. It looks great and feels even better. Great controls here on your left-hand side for your audio system. On the right-hand side, you have all your cruise control buttons. Underneath, your Bluetooth. The instrument cluster looks awesome. There's an analog tachometer, a digital speedometer, and you can control all your traction modes with a push of a button. This audio system looks great. The display is amazing. Full color, all touchscreen, and you can actually swipe across it. The tri-zone climate control is great. You can control driver's side, passenger side, and rear just by a push of a button. And this in particular model has a rear DVD player, and this is where the DVD goes. As far as plugging in your USBs, Honda has you covered with 3 USB plugins, and 2 of them are 2.5 amp. On the inside of this center console, plenty of room and an extra power outlet. When it comes to extra storage, this glove box, you can fit pretty much anything. Under the hood, Honda uses a 3.5-liter i-VTEC with EarthDreams technology, rated at 280 horsepower, all-wheel drive, 6-speed transmission with 4 traction settings, getting you out of pretty much any situation. For more information on this awesome Honda SUV, contact your local Honda dealer.